How do you create a budget? It's actually a lot simpler than you might think. I start with a spreadsheet. You can start with a blank piece of paper if you want. You can search for budget templates in Excel and Google Sheets or PDFs on the internet. What are your fixed monthly expenses for your business? What are your NAR and MLS dues? What are your fixed broker fees? What is your cell phone and internet bill? Because if you're self-employed, those things are business expenses. Start off with these fixed monthly expenses that you know you're going to have to pay every single month. From there, you're going to add in the variable expenses. These are the things that are going to change from month to month. When you are in doubt as to how much to actually put for these variable expenses, always go on the high end of a range. These are the things like your auto expenses. The more listings and client meetings and closings and networking events you're going to, the higher your auto expense is going to be. Client meals. The more client meetings you're taking, the more times you're going to be buying them a cup of coffee or lunch. So that's going to be a variable expense. And then the big one is taxes. The more you make, the more taxes you're going to pay. So that's going to be a variable expense as well. This is how much you're going to have to be able to cover. How much is it going to take to keep this business going? And that you're going to compare to your expected income. Above all of that, you need to put your income. And then you're going to subtract out all of those expenses and see what the difference is. If that number is negative, you got to go to work. Some people might look at that and say, well, I've got to start cutting expenses. That might not be the right answer. You might need to try to increase that top line. Figure out a way to get through the next 3, 4, 5 months, however long it's going to take you to boost your commission revenue so that you can get that expected monthly revenue ahead of your expected monthly expenses. Until you've done that, you've got more work to do.